Hi, I'm building a game where you lead a group of fantasy warriors in a tactical real-time with pause light RPG. Warning, this is the first devlog. It's extremely early in development and the video's purpose is to get feedback, suggestions and general thoughts from the viewers to help me shape the game. So please feel free to post what you would like to be able to do in the game, what features make you excited, what you dislike in other tactical games and what you would like to see more. As I've said, this is early stage development. The art, if you want to call it that way, is a placeholder. It doesn't have sound and the UI is pretty much non-existent. It doesn't even have a name for now. I just call it Fantasy Tactics cause it has fantasy characters and creatures and it has tactics. Yeah, very logical. I aim for a fast-paced combat, no micromanagement where you plan your turn for 10 minutes and calculate the attack damage to a precision of 3 digits after the decimal point. XCOM meets Warcraft feels alive like Total War. Each character type plays differently and doesn't sit inside a clear one role out of possible 3 or 4 roles. While most of the game's action will be experienced in these battle locations, at the topmost layer we have the world map. Each tile in the world map represents an area. Each area has a type like woodland, rocky plains, caves, frozen mountaintops, swamps, and might extend it to villages and city streets. And each area is divided into multiple battle locations. This division gives you a bit of time to relax and regroup between fights, till you move forward to the next location in the area. Once you select an area, you then select the characters you want to lead into combat in that area. Currently the character roster is small, but the backbone of the game is to have a rich palette of characters to control and fight against, with a variety of abilities and a range of characteristics for each character. For example, the Goblin Blader easily dodges attacks, hard to hit him, normally doesn't cause much of damage, but when he punches on you, you will feel it. When it comes to controlling the character in the combat map, you'll be able to order them in 3 levels of granularity. First of all, you can issue instructions per character. You want a specific goblin to follow the path behind rocks and then attack a specific archer, you shift click the path, you shift click the enemy, and the goblin will follow the orders and will do his best to evade the archer arrows while the archer is in his sight. Second, you will be able to select multiple characters or all the team and issue the same command like you would for a single character, and they will do it each with his own speed and abilities. Third, not available in the game at this stage, select multiple characters, define them as a single unit, and assign characteristics for the unit like formation. The main play is a top-down real-time tactic. The characters must be easily readable from afar. The user must recognize and understand the character fast. This character is an agile goblin, this one is a slow dwarf tank, and so on. The characters are going to be based on simple shapes, constrained color palette, and unique animations. But at the same time, I really want to bring the characters to life, give them a fun personality, be interesting to look at, and get you wanting to try and experiment with them in your team. Finally, I must remember, as a solo developer with work and family, I can't have 60 hours to model every asset. So keep it simple, stupid. At the moment, I don't have a clear plan on how characters are drafted into your team. Do you buy them using some kind of a resource? Find them in the wild? Upgrade from one character to another like a Pokemon? Please give your suggestions. Eventually, I would like to have some reputation system and tasks to complete that will unlock characters of different affiliations. But I'm really open for anything at the moment, so give me your best. So this is it. The first devlog for the Fantasy Tactics game. I'm a solo developer, very lonely, and the feedback would really help me shape the game. Currently, I don't have a Discord server, so for now, this YouTube channel is the only way to keep an eye on this game development. Thank you very much, please leave feedback, see you soon.